Moving on now, railway isolation coaches are ready for Delhi. Delhi government had requested the railways to give the railway coaches to set up isolation centres. As of now, the isolation coaches are for COVID patients are ready and the government may take them anytime.
Railway has prepared its isolation coaches for the COVID patients. We are reporting from outside these railway coaches, and these are 10 railway coaches which are now designated as the isolation center for the COVID patients. These railway coaches will be given to the Delhi government. Delhi government had requested the railways to set up these kinds of isolation coaches so that if the number of cases increased and there is no availability of the patients, no availability of beds happen in the national capital, so that they could accommodate the COVID patients in these railway coaches. I would just like to show you what all arrangement has been made at the railway coaches. Inside the coaches there are 16 beds are made in one coach, and here you can see this is one bed. In this way 2 beds will be there for 2 patients. In every coach around 16 kinds of patients, 16 patients are set to stay for at least 14 days or till the time they recovered. There is oxygen cylinder as well, which is now in fact kept there. At least one coach is having one oxygen cylinder. So this is the arrangement that is done by the railway department for the COVID patients. At every you see that at every bed there is also the dustbin is kept there. So definitely for all precautionary measures to be taken during the time of the patient's treatment, that should be done, and this is the reason all these things have made. Here you can see this is the net that is in fact put out and is put here so that they could be prevent the entry of any kind of mosquitoes or any kind of insect in the coaches as well. There are 10 coaches, and in 10 coaches around 160 patients could be accommodated. Apart from that, in 3 coaches, separate 3 coaches are also in fact connected to these coaches. These separate 3 coaches are the AC coaches, where the hospital staff and the healthcare workers will be remain there. The doctors will be present there who will be looking after all these patients. So as far as of now, railway says that they have all prepared these coaches. Now Delhi government can take, in fact any time can take over these coaches for treatment of the COVID patients.